carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey everyone, Carhelpout here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today we're diving into the 2017 Honda CR-V. The CR-V is known for its reliability and practicality, but like any car, it has its quirks. We'll walk you through common issues, weird features, and everything in between. Whether you're a current CR-V owner or thinking about buying one, this video is your comprehensive guide. Stick around, because we're about to uncover everything you need to know about the 2017 Honda CR-V. Right after this. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's get under the hood and take a closer look at what makes this engine tick. Tuday, we're diving into the heart of the 2017 Honda CR-V, focusing on its engine. This model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which is designed to offer a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. However, some owners have reported issues with oil dilution, a condition where fuel mixes with the engine oil, potentially compromising its effectiveness. This mixing can reduce the oil's ability to lubricate the engine properly, leading to increased wear and tear on engine components. To address this, Honda has released several software updates aimed at mitigating the oil dilution issue. If you're in the market for a used 2017 CR-V, it's crucial to check the service history for any records of oil dilution or related repairs. When everything is functioning correctly, this engine is quite peppy and delivers respectable fuel economy, making it a joy to drive. Being a Honda engine, you can generally expect it to be built to last, provided it's well maintained. Regular maintenance is key. Always use high-quality oil and ensure that any available software updates are installed. Some owners have also reported a rattling noise coming from the engine bay, particularly when the engine is cold. This noise could be attributed to issues with the timing chain tensioner or the direct injection system, both of which are critical components. While these issues don't affect every 2017 CR-V, it's definitely something to be aware of if you're considering this model. With a little care and attention, this engine has the potential to provide many miles of reliable service. Now that we've covered the engine, let's move on to the next chapter and explore more about the 2017 Honda CR-V.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Moving on from the engine bay, let's talk about the air conditioning. The AC system in your CR-V is crucial for maintaining comfort, especially during those hot summer months. In the 2017 CR-V, the AC system is generally solid, providing reliable cooling performance, but there have been some complaints. Some drivers have reported issues that can be quite frustrating. Common issues include the AC not cooling effectively, which can make driving uncomfortable, or taking forever to cool down the cabin. This can be particularly annoying on extremely hot days. This can be caused by low refrigerant, a faulty AC compressor, or other mechanical issues, or blend door actuator problems. These components are essential for directing airflow properly. Another issue is a strange odor from the vents, which can be quite unpleasant, possibly due to mold or mildew. This can happen if moisture accumulates in the system. Most AC issues are minor and can be fixed without breaking the bank. Regular maintenance can prevent many problems. Check your cabin air filter first, as a clogged filter can restrict airflow, and replace it if dirty. A clean filter ensures optimal performance. If that doesn't solve the problem, there may be a more complex issue at hand. Take your CR-V to a trusted mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem. They'll check the refrigerant level, inspect the compressor, and ensure all components are functioning correctly, and diagnose other potential issues. Proper diagnostics are key to effective repairs. A properly functioning AC system is essential for a comfortable driving experience. Stay cool and enjoy the ride in your CR-V.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's dive into the world of electronics in the 2017 CR-V. One common complaint is related to the infotainment system. Some owners report the system being slow, freezing, or rebooting unexpectedly. Honda has released software updates, so check if your CR-V has the latest version. Another issue is battery drain, especially if you don't drive often or leave accessories plugged in. There have been reports of premature battery failure, possibly due to a faulty battery or parasitic drain. Check the battery terminals to ensure they're clean and tight. If that doesn't solve the problem, take it to a qualified mechanic for diagnosis. Electrical issues can be frustrating, but they're often fixable with the right approach. Stay on top of software updates and regular maintenance to keep your tech running smoothly.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about the transmission and brakes on the 2017 Honda CR-V. These are crucial components that ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. The 2017 CR-V comes with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. This type of transmission is designed to provide seamless acceleration and improve fuel efficiency. CVTs are known for fuel efficiency but can feel quirky to drive. They operate differently from traditional automatic transmissions, which can take some getting used to. Some owners report shuddering or hesitation, particularly at low speeds. This can be disconcerting, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Honda has released software updates to address these issues. It's always a good idea to keep your vehicle software up to date to ensure optimal performance. Now let's move on to the brakes. The braking system is another critical component for your safety. Overall, the brakes are solid, but there have been reports of premature wear, especially on the front brakes. This can lead to reduced braking performance. This could be due to driving style, operating conditions, or brake pad quality. It's important to monitor your brakes regularly. Some owners report squealing or grinding noises indicating worn brake pads. These noises are a clear sign that it's time to inspect your brakes. Brake pads are relatively inexpensive and easy to replace. Regular maintenance can prevent more serious issues down the line. If you're comfortable with DIY maintenance, you can tackle this yourself. There are plenty of resources available to guide you through the process. Otherwise, any reputable mechanic can handle brake pad replacement for you. Regularly maintaining your CR-V will keep it running smoothly and safely for years to come.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
For those driving the top-of-the-line 2017 Honda CR-V touring trim, let's talk about some specific issues. One common complaint is the power tailgate being slow or stopping entirely. This could be due to a faulty sensor, tailgate motor, or a loose wire. If you experience issues, take it to a dealer or qualified mechanic. Another issue is the navigation system being inaccurate or slow. This isn't uncommon with navigation systems, but can be frustrating. Some owners report issues with heated and ventilated seats not working properly. These are isolated reports, and most CR-V touring owners haven't experienced major problems. Stay informed and address issues promptly to keep your CR-V touring in top shape. Now, let's move on to our final scene.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
We've covered a lot of ground today talking about common problems with the 2017 Honda CR-V. Most issues can be avoided or minimized with preventative maintenance. Stay on top of scheduled maintenance intervals like oil changes and routine inspections. It might seem like a hassle, but it's cheaper than dealing with major repairs. Pay attention to your car. If you notice strange noises, smells, or vibrations, get them checked out. Catching problems early can save you time, money, and headaches. Do a little research. Online forums and owners groups can be valuable resources. Preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your CRV running smoothly. Now let's wrap things up.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2017 Honda CRV. We've explored its strengths, uncovered its quirks, and armed you with the knowledge to keep it running smoothly. Every car has its own personality, and the CRV is no exception. If you're a current CRV owner, we hope this video has given you a better understanding of your vehicle. If you're considering buying a used CRV, we hope we've given you the information you need to make an informed decision. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Until next time, happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.